falcons throw cold shadows in the ears. Since the New Deal, the borders of danger change are neither angry nor strange anymore. And your eyes won't go for it. City falcons fly over this town, where parades of the brave make their way past entitlement. The country houses speak in hushed voices, make the great choices in sleep, where the burden of silver inside is especially light. The city falcons fall from high places, steal the sad faces of sin, spell out the end of our lives as wandering spies. In the safety of darkness, they say now will call us back home. Despite what you said, because it is up to you.